I'm tired of being a basic makeup artist. This is where the pressure comes in at. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've decided to get out of my comfort zone. I've decided to do a dramatic look, a look I've never touched on before, a look that I really don't know what I'm doing. But you know what? This is YouTube. We are gonna go step by step and create this look together, okay? Please don't forget to follow my social, subscribe to this channel, share, like, and let's get jiggy with it. So first I took this concealer, HD concealer. Anyways, I put the concealer all around my lid area. I'm going to blend it with my finger first. Keep it where you want it to be. And then I'll take a beauty blender and dab. And then I'm going to take the Sacha Buttercup and dry my crease. The reason we dry our crease, we don't want our crease looking wrinklish. Nothing more, nothing less. There we go. It's a done deal. So today I'm going to focus on one eye. I will finish that one eye before I get on the other eye, because I don't want this thing to be long. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to dab it in there. The pigmentation is real. Okay, now that we did the yellow, what we're gonna do is do the pink. I'm gonna put purple. There we go. Okay, now that we put the purple, I'm gonna put a little bit of green back here. When you're happy and you know when you really want to show it. How are we looking so far? Your girl's trying to get out of her comfort zone and do things she's never done before. I'm tired of being a basic makeup artist. I need to be over the top makeup artist. Period. We're gonna take some of that yellow once more and just... Did I mess it up? Never. I can never mess it up. One thing about these colors I love, they are so pigmented that right when you touch it, boom. Maybe I'm using the wrong brush, but you know what? It's gonna look beautiful. Purple, where are you? We are getting on to purple. Beautiful purple. I'm 2 hours away from going to work, so I don't know if I want to take this bright colors to work. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, I'm loving it already. Look at this. The color is so mwah. Yes, it's a yes. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, you guys, so here it is. I know it does not look perfect, but we don't need the whole eye to be yellow, purple, and green. We are gonna cut the crease. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take that concealer I showed you earlier. I hope you can see me. Then put it on my hand. Hold on, I'll be right back. So here I am. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the crease from up here. Cut it. I'm not gonna cut it at the crease. I'm gonna cut like right here. So that's how it's gonna be. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to erase the bottom part because I don't need it. This is work. So here it is. Looking gorgeous already, but we're not there yet. So what I'm gonna do is conceal my lid again. Okay, so I concealed my lid again, and then That's it. I know it's not looking okay for now, but sis, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take blue. I'm gonna take this dark blue right here and just zazz it or whatever it is. Yeah. It doesn't matter if we touch the lid or not because we're gonna add other colors there. So it really does not matter. Okay, so after we do the dark blue, we're gonna take my Revolution Reloaded palette and use this light blue right here. We're gonna mix these two together. Since I already have dark blue, I'm gonna mix it together so it will look like, and then we are gonna dab it in there. We don't have a light blue pigment color. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and put it there. Okay, now if you've watched this far in the video, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and please share with your friends. Oh, it seems like it's doing its job just a little bit. Okay, we're getting there. We did it. Okay, now we're gonna take that dark blue and put it under there. It's like so. Okay, so now we are going to cut the lid, not the crease but the lid. This, your girl is trying to get out of her comfort zone, so leave her alone. I'm gonna try to. Okay, the lid had bent cut, so I'm gonna do the same thing I did on top. Yellow, pink, purple, green. Once this comes together, so here we are so far. I hope you're liking it. Ooh, it touched. This is where depression comes in at. This is when you start to depress. After working so hard, somebody decided to mess up your artwork. You know how hard it I'm gonna try to put this blue back in there, the light blue. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take purple and just zazz it down here. How about that, sis? How about that? I wanna do pink. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna mix pink and purple together. Time to beautify the bottom lid. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna bring this Ruby Kiss eyeliner in. So you see this line that we made right here? We are going to make it white. Sisters, are y'all ready? And brothers, if I messed up, it's your fault, okay? Because you should be stopping me like, no, stay where you're at. But I want to keep going, so it's your fault. How are you liking it? We're gonna do the same thing here too. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the bottom by putting this in. My eyes is watering already. I don't know how you guys can do it. This is why I never do anything on my bottom eye, because I always, hello, somebody bring me napkin. Oh my god. Somebody bring me napkin. Okay, you guys, so here I am. Here we are. You probably don't like it yet because the whole face is not done. We don't have on any lashes. It looks like somebody just pick up whatever and put it on the face. That was like a mosquito. So I'm gonna do this other side and I'll be right back, okay? 5 hours later. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I finished this side. Here it is. I hope you like it. You know, try to be creative. I was just tired of doing the same thing over and over, so I try to be creative. Now I'm gonna do my full face, okay? I'm gonna use this foundation color changing for my base. Oh, I forgot to let you know that I already put my lashes on if you don't see it already. I'm gonna use my cream shop, mix them together, put them in my face. On my hand, I guess we're running out. Can y'all be quiet, please? I'm gonna take the same concealer and conceal everywhere that I need to conceal. Be quiet, please! Oh my gosh! I'll put it on my hand first. I have 30 minutes before I go to work. And you think I'm gonna wash this off? I'm gonna go to work with this on. Everybody gonna look at me like, what are you, a peacock? Okay, so after that, I'm gonna contour. Now, I'm gonna take the Sacha Buttercup and I'm gonna take my black opal and put it on there. It already has a bunch, dab it on, and Peacock or whatever it is. So I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter and spray. We're gonna let it sit to dry. Your girl is in a hurry. I gotta go to work. Gotta be at work at 11 and it's 9:57 and I have to do other things after this video. So dry up. I started filming since 6. I feel like if I don't do this video today, I'm not gonna get to do it, so I decided to do it. So now what I'm gonna do is my favorite blush from e.l.f. Yep, this pink one right here. And then y'all know my Makeup Revolution London highlighter palette. I'm gonna take this right here. Do you guys see how she's glowing? Just so you know. I'm gonna take my brown pencil and do my lip. I'm gonna take a lip gloss from my beauty supply store and just put it on, baby. Put it on. I am not liking it, so I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. Okay, here's the final look. I'm so proud of myself. Like, okay, let me get myself together and I shall return. Okay, you guys, so here's the final look. I hope you like this video. I really wanted to be creative and do something out of my box. I really love this. I hope somebody learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. If you feel like you can learn from me and we both can learn from each other, because see, I'm learning every day and you guys haven't seen something like this on my channel, so I'm like, okay, you know what, oh my god, somebody's calling me. Hello.
What's up with you?
Nothing, just filming.
Call me when you're filming.
Okay, you guys, they need to put that on there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you really enjoyed this look, if you want me to do something else, something crazy, let me know. Follow me on my socials. So I will see you in my next video, okay? Bye.